Here's how to apply to an affiliate program. In this case, I'm using Descript, which is a video creation and editing tool. This is the affiliate page, and you can read all the information on how you get paid, how the payouts are made, how to track referrals, things along these lines. Now, once you've read all the info and you're like, yep, I'm ready to sign up, you can click here on apply now. It will take you to the software that they're using for this particular tracking, which in this case, the software is called LinkMink, which is an affiliate marketplace. Now, I already have an account with LinkMink. So in my case, I'm going to log into my existing account. It's going to take me inside my account with LinkMink. I'm going to need to agree to the terms and conditions and affiliate. And you can see that this is ConvertKit. Their affiliate program is there as well. And I'm going to switch account to Descript. So you can see that I'm affiliate of a few things. And here I can actually see my link. So if I click on share, this is now my affiliate link. Now you will notice that there's traffic is at 0. If I was to open an incognito window, paste in my affiliate link and hit enter, this is now me going through a browser that is basically private, which means that this is what my customers are going to see when they click my affiliate link. It will take them straight to the homepage of Descript. Now, if I was to go back to my affiliate dashboard, typically the traffic is going to change to 1, as you can see right here. Now, since I did not actually sign up, I'm not seeing any conversions. Now, here is important information about understanding how it works. So I get 15% commission on each payment received for the first 12 months. And you can always right-click this one, which is the Descript affiliate kit, and you will see a bunch of information here with the affiliate program. For example, if you click here, you will see the logos of Descript that I can use in my video editing or in my blog reviews, things along these lines. Now, it's important that you right-click on it so it doesn't override the page that you're in. So I'm going to right-click on it, and you can see here there is screenshots that they've provided as well. All of these can be used as B-roll for videos or for blog posts, to do demos, things along these lines. And you can see there is also a Google Doc that they've created here. What is Descript, the affiliate program, how it works. They explain the different information such as the cookie policy. So within 30 days of them signing up to the free trial, that's how much they get. There's no minimum payouts and everything is paid through PayPal. If I didn't have a LinkMink account, then I would have had to actually create a LinkMink account. But since I already have one, then that's fine. You can see that I was an affiliate of other tools, for example, Circle. Although at the time of recording, the Circle affiliate program, if I recall correctly, has actually moved elsewhere. So you can see here that they're no longer with LinkMink, they're actually with someone else. You can also see the affiliate back office. This is the page you're seeing right now. You can click on leads to see those that have signed up, and you can see the clicks. You can see any actual referrals, which right now there isn't any, or commissions, there isn't any, and any of the payouts as well. So you'll be able to see all that information as well. Here you wouldn't want to enter your PayPal email address, the one you're going to receive emails to, and you want to keep these open so then when you get a referral, you actually get some sort of a notification in your email so you know if you made a sale. So that's it. That's how you sign up to an affiliate program. Hope this is helpful.